Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on OPPO Find X2 Neo. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Right here try to find an app called NotifyBuddy. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this app. Now we can move to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. Lastly, there's battery optimization, which doesn't need to be disabled, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Now let's start using this app by selecting different apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications, and let's go with YouTube Music, wireless earphones as well. Next is a System tab, and here you can select any system-bound apps. There's also Active, in which you can see all apps that you've just activated. There's ads, and there's settings as well, in which you can change anything about the LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or a color. Now let's click on the test, and right here you can see this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.